Good morning. This is Ruth, one of the naturalists here at Beaver Creek, and today's Trailside treasure is down in one of our wetter areas on the trails at Beaver Creek. What I found is this plant right here. It's called jewelweed. Jewelweed also is called touch-me-not. We'll get back to why it's called touch-me-not in a little bit. But jewelweed is the common name, and it gets the name from these orange flowers that look to me sort of like earrings. They look like maybe a cornucopia. There's a long flower, and then there's the spur coming off the back end of it. These plants are wild versions of impatiens, so they are annuals. They do not survive our winters. They have that watery stem just like all impatiens or balsamics do, but they are prolific self-seeders. And we're going to learn a little bit. We'll see how that seed capsule works in just a second. The reason they're called touch-me-nots is the seed capsule gets very thick and is designed to explode with very little touch or pressure. So when it rains, it sends these seeds out. And the idea is they do need some sunshine. And so the idea is to throw my seeds out farther so they're not trying to germinate right underneath the parent plant. So when you're out on the trail, keep your eyes open for these beautiful orange flowers and for these seed capsules, and then remember to have a little fun exploding them. See you later.
Hi, I'm Eric Keisler, Executive Director from Beaver Creek Reserve. Thanks for watching this great educational video from our staff. To find out more information like this and others, check out our website at beavercreekreserve.org. You can also support us by being a member or donating to our endowment campaign, which is supporting Beaver Creek through this COVID-19 crisis. Thank you. We appreciate your time.